What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? Can we just acknowledge the fact that how many of these like influencers, big streamers, YouTubers are just trash people? And we're not even talking Dr. Disrespect. That's just a whole nother side of the things. But if you haven't seen, it's been going around Twitter or whatever the last couple days. There's the streamer that it's been going around, the clip of him, like whatever he did like a 6-day or something like that straight stream, and he was complaining to his chat because he only got 7,000 subscribers in those 6 days. Like, he's sitting there and he's telling people, oh well, there's a lot of you I know that are working 60-hour weeks, and the minimum wage is $28, so that's only an hour's worth of work. You guys can all give 5 subs. And it's just the absolute brain rot of these, like, sit at a computer and do nothing people. I don't know where he lives. I'm assuming somewhere in California, because that's where all of these people flock to. LA or whatever, some stupid shit. But there is no way in hell the minimum wage where he is $28 an hour. So one right there that just shows you how out of touch he is with just basic life, right? 2, if the people that are watching him are working 60-hour weeks, more than likely it's because they need the money. They're not working 60 hours so they can go give the money to streamers. Now 2, those 7,000 subs he got, somebody did the math, it ended up being like $24,500. That's not ad revenue, that's not sponsorship money, that's not any clip that he's going to take and put on, you know, Reels or YouTube Shorts or whatever like that. No, that's just the money he's made from subs. Now, again, somebody did this all math, and I don't remember who it is, so I'm sorry, but they did it all out. That $24,000 was a third of the average annual income. Like, the median income was like $61,000. So in 6 days, he made 33% of the average income of a person. And he's gonna sit there and complain that, oh, I'm not getting enough subs. I've only done 7,000 in 6 days. It's like, dude, all he's doing at that point is sitting at his computer and staring at a computer, like just staring at it and complaining. It's like these, I don't get it, man. It was like that girl a few years ago who was in there complaining that all of her viewers were broke because they weren't subbing or donating to her. And it's like, none of these people have to do anything for you. If they want to watch you, that's fine. This is the job you've chosen to do. Your job is to provide content on stream for people to watch. There is no inherent rule that says somebody has to sub or tip or donate or whatever. And if you're making $20,000, and I understand Twitch or Kick or whatever streaming service it is gets a percentage of that. It's not, whatever. I'm not working with exact math here. I don't really care. But it's like these brain rot people who think they're entitled to just everything because they're, you know, quote unquote famous. They're an influencer. No. And I am gonna say, like, obviously if you're streaming, you're gonna go in this at the base level at anything. If it's YouTube, streaming, you know, photography, whatever it is. The base level thing is you're doing it because you like it, right? More than likely. And if you get into streaming, you're gonna do it because you want to gain followers and subscribers to get partnered to make money. Same thing with YouTube. You want to make videos, but you also want to get views, get subscribers, get monetized, make money. Like, what is that thing? If you do something you love, you never work a day in your life. Basically, that's the dream for everybody. If everybody in the world could do what they wanted, it'd be a horrible place, because no one would want to do anything that actually would be, you know, infrastructure based. If you can do what you want and make money at it, like that's the dream, you know, no matter what it is. But you get these like people who get some sort of fame, you know, and they think they're just better than everybody else, and that everyone has to cater to them. And oh my god, because I'm streaming, you guys have to give gift subs. You have to give me money because you're, it's like, I can't imagine if I'm watching that, right? If I'm somebody who's watching that, and even if I'm a fan of this person, the moment they do that, gone. I'm not a fan of you anymore. I don't care. You're now like berating your audience, trying to make them feel bad because they're not just giving you money. It's not for a charity, it's not for, you know, a cause, it's just so that you can have more money to buy stupid shit in your pocket. And I don't get it, man. It's just, and it's one of those things he'll probably put out some like half-ass apology saying, oh, I'm sorry, I was just overtired and, you know, I was overworked. And what are you doing? Like, dude, I'm just, you know, he'll put out some apology and say something, and everyone will be like, oh, it's okay, you were like, no. There isn't a day in my life where I will ever say that this is hard. I'm making money from this right now. As I'm recording this, as I edit it, as I post it on YouTube, I am making money from doing this. And I can tell you, it's not hard. If this is what I had to do for my life, my career, my monetary income fully, it'd be the easiest life of all time. It's not. This is a hobby. This is something I do on the side. And I can tell you that it's it is like stealing money from a baby, man. It's something I enjoy. I like riding. I like making videos. I put the two things together. I made a YouTube, and now I'm making money from it. I am never going to sit there and say, audience, you are watching me. You have to give me tips, or like, no, man. I appreciate every single one of you who likes, comments, subscribes, shares, whatever it is. I appreciate every single one of you. And I'm just glad you're here. I don't give a shit either way. I can't imagine being that entitled that you think people owe you something just for you doing what you decided to do in general. I don't know, man. Ranty McRant over here. Tell me what you think though. Do you know who this streamer was? I honestly don't know him. I don't watch streams, so I couldn't tell you. Do you watch him? Do you know who he is? Are you less or more of a fan of him now than you were before? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out a lot, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see you later. Peace!